Hey, welcome back to Shaving Down Under and a quick unboxing. And I know what's in this one. Something a bit special, I think. Well, I'm regarding it as that. Something you might all be interested in. Hopefully I've done enough there. Here we go. So I don't often do unboxings for shave soaps, but this one is going to be an exception. I love the marketing they've put into this. Running the risk there, cutting my fingers off. Looks like a hip flask, doesn't it? So, what's special about these shave soaps is they're actually made here in South Australia, where I live. And I only found out about this last week. Another Australian shave vlogger, Uncle L, he used one of Squadron's soaps. And he said they were from South Australia, up towards the Barossa wine country. And I thought, I've never heard of this. I just haven't come across them. And so I had to jump in. So, Red Lead, there's a story behind this. I'll save it for the name. I'll save it for the video when I do this. But it is their take on Old Spice. Let's open it up. So there's the look inside. These are tallow soaps, by the way. I'll just give it a sniff. Actually, that smells nice. Very nice. I will be doing a Old Spice shave soon with a vintage Old Spice soap. So this is their Group Captain's Blend. Isn't that just really classic old cartoon style, old comic book style? Magnificent. What do they say on here? I can't remember the scent profile for this one. So there we go again, a similar looking soap. Oh yeah, nice. Sort of similar to this one, but just goes in a bit of a different direction. And this is their aftershave splash. As I said, it looks like a hip flask. Oh, that smells even better than the soap. I can't wait to get into this one. So there you go. So you might see this video before or after I shave with one of these, but either way, Squadron. Yeah, type Squadron Australia shaving soap into your search engine. Comes up, check it out. Really reasonably priced, and especially if you're in America or England, where your dollar or pound goes a lot further against the Aussie dollar. Okay, thanks for checking it out, and we'll chat again soon. Ciao for now.